fighting over a dragon? That's your plan? This is... Save him. I knew you'd come around. Hey, good morning, bud. There you go. Boy, you're full of surprises. He's all yours.
Oh, Knuckles, please tell me you have a...
Lost one.
Let's make it count. Ready for a little base of ball? Deep breath. 1, 2, 3! I've got you, Sonic! Sonic, look! Shadow and Robotnik, they sacrificed themselves to save everyone.
You always have a choice. Guys, I'm really sorry for running off like that. I shouldn't have left you behind. The truth is, you're the best teammates a hedgehog could ever ask for. And the best friends. Can you ever forgive me?
Team Sonic.
How about just team?